Most people don't lose respect because they're weak. They lose respect because they try too hard to be liked. If you constantly explain yourself, over-apologize, or seek approval, people subconsciously rank you lower. Respect isn't demanded, it's signaled. Today, I'm going to show you powerful psychology-backed techniques that instantly change how people see you at work, in relationships, and in everyday life. First, stop over-explaining. When you over-justify your decisions, you signal insecurity. Confident people don't feel the need to convince everyone. If you say, "I can't make it," don't add 5 excuses after it. Silence after a decision communicates certainty, and certainty creates respect. Second, master the pause. When someone challenges you, don't react immediately. Pause for 2 seconds. Maintain eye contact, then respond calmly. That small pause shows emotional control, and emotional control is power. The person who reacts slower appears more dominant and composed. Third, lower your tone. When people get nervous, their voice goes higher and faster. Slow down your speech. Lower your tone slightly. Speak clearly. Studies in communication psychology show that slower speech patterns are associated with authority and leadership. Calm voices command attention. Fourth, don't seek validation. If you constantly look for approval, right? Don't you think? You give away power. Instead, state your opinions clearly and let them sit. Confidence without arrogance builds instant respect. Fifth, set small boundaries. Respect grows when boundaries exist. If someone interrupts you, don't laugh it off. Calmly say, "Let me finish." If someone disrespects your time, address it politely but firmly. The moment people realize you value your time and energy, they value it too. Sixth, be less available. This doesn't mean being rude. It means not always being instantly accessible. When you're always available, people subconsciously assume your time has low value. High-value individuals protect their schedule. Seventh, control your body language. Stand straight, shoulders relaxed, chin level, minimal fidgeting. Hold eye contact when speaking. Nonverbal cues often matter more than words. Before people hear you, and finally, detach from the outcome. The strongest psychological signal of power is non-attachment. When you don't desperately need someone's approval, attention, or agreement, your energy changes. You become grounded, calm, unshaken, and people respect those who are emotionally steady. Remember, respect isn't about intimidation. It's about stability. It's about emotional control. It's about quiet confidence. The moment you stop trying to be liked and start focusing on self-control, people naturally begin to treat you differently. Not because you demanded respect, but because you embodied it. If this video helped you, make sure to subscribe for more psychology-based self-improvement content and comment below which of these techniques you're going to start using today.